Let us continue with K method type 3. Okay, so in this type you have to know this: if A comma B comma C are in continued proportion, okay, after that you have to write let A by B equals to B by C equals to K. A equals to cross multiply it BK, B equals to CK. Now the important is the value of B is already CK. Now this value you have to substitute here. Okay, so the actual value of B will be CK into K is CK square. So A is CK square and B is CK. So with the help of this you have to prove. Okay, and first question is prove the following. Question number 3. Okay, A by C, this is 3 according to your textbook. A by C equals to A square plus B square divided by B square plus C square. Here left hand side and right hand side has to be equal. Okay, now what is A? A means CK square. CK square divided by C. This and this cancel. So your left hand side is K square. So after solving right hand side, you have to get K square, so that left hand side and right hand side will be equal. Now just put the value. A means CK square whole square. B means CK whole square divided by B means CK whole square plus C square. Now CK square whole square means C square K4 plus C square K square divided by C square K square plus C square. After that you just take out common. C square is common, K to the power 4 and K square. Obviously lowest power, which is K square, is common. So what is left? K square plus 1 divided by C square is common. Again what is left? K square plus 1. So these two will get cancelled. This and this cancel. K square. So right hand side is also K square. Left hand side is K square. Right hand side is K square. Hence proved. Okay. After that, ICSE 2015. ICSE 2015. Question is, according to your textbook, it is question number 6. Question is A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C equals to A square plus B square plus C square. Now this you have to prove. Okay, so LHS, A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C, and right hand side is A square plus B square plus C square, and we know the value of A, which is CK square. Now just substitute the value plus CK plus C. After that CK square minus CK plus C. Now take out common. C common, K square plus K plus 1. Again C common, K square minus K plus 1. So C into C, C square. Now K square plus K plus 1 into K square minus K plus 1. If you multiply it, you will get K4 plus K square plus 1, which is very important. Either you learn this formula or multiply these two, you will get K to the power 4 plus K square plus 1. Okay, now right hand side. Right hand side is A square plus B square plus C square. A means CK square whole square. B means CK whole square plus C square. Next step, C square K4 plus C square K square plus C square. So C square is common, K4 plus K square plus 1. That means left hand side and right hand side is same. Okay, and question number 5, according to your textbook, A, B, C. After that, A plus B plus C whole cube equals to AB plus BC plus AC whole cube. Again, left hand side and right hand side you have to make equal. A means CK square, B means CK into C. Open the bracket. A means CK square, B means CK plus C whole cube. Now, C into C into C is what? C cube. K square into K is K cube. Now, CK square plus CK plus C, what is common? C common but with cube. So, C cube is common. What is left? K square plus K plus 1 whole cube. After that, C cube into C cube, you have to add the power, which is C to the power 6, K cube. After that, K square plus K plus 1 whole cube. So, this is your left hand side. You solve right hand side, you have to get this answer. Okay. Now, A means CK square into CK plus CK into C plus CK square into C to the power cube. After that, you just solve it. C into C, C square K cube plus C square K plus C square K square whole cube. Okay. Now, what is common? Obviously, C square is common. C square, C square, C square. After that, K cube, K square. What is the lowest power? Lowest power is K, but with the cube. Now, what is left? From K cube, 1 K is already common. So, K square plus 1 plus K whole cube. After that, 2 3s are 6 K cube. Now, arrange it. K square plus K plus 1 whole cube. So, that left hand side and right hand side is equal. Okay. And today's last question is question number part 2. This question is difficult. So, in the next class, I'll send or I'll do type 4K method. With this type 4, we'll finish. And in the next class, we'll start componendo and dividendo. That is the last chapter from algebra. 1 by A cube plus 1 by B cube plus 1 by C cube equals to A divided by B square C square plus B divided by C square A square plus C divided by A square B square. Now, no need to take out LCM. Okay, you just replace the value. A means CK square whole cube, B means CK whole cube plus 1 by C cube. After that, 1 divided by C cube K6, 1 divided by C cube K cube plus 1 divided by C cube. Now, common. Take out common in fraction. So, 1 by C cube is common. What is left? 1 by K6 plus 1 by K cube plus 1. Okay. Either you keep in this form only or you take out LCM. Okay. So, first we will solve this one. Now, A means CK square, B means CK whole square into C square plus CK divided by C square into CK square whole square plus C divided by CK square whole square into CK whole square. Okay. Now, next step, CK square divided by, remove the bracket, C square K square into C square plus CK divided by C square into C square K4 plus C divided by C square K4 into C square K square. Now, C cancel, K square cancel. So, 1 divided by C square into C is C cube, 1 by C cube plus C cancel, K cancel, 1 divided by c cube k cube plus c and one of the c is cancelled. 1 divided by k4 plus k2 is k6, c square plus 1 is c cube k6. After that you simply take out common 1 by c cube. So what is left? 1 plus 1 by k cube plus 1 by k to the power 6, hence proved. Okay, so with this we have finished K method type 3. In next class, either through WhatsApp PDF or in this recorded class, I'll do type 4. After that, we'll start the last chapter of ratio and proportion and the last chapter of algebra, that is called componendo and dividendo. Thank you very much.